Hello guys, today in this beautiful afternoon, we meet again on podcast in English Day Lamatang Laskari Junior High School. Today we have two special students. They are Queen and also Kyla. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, Queen, please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Akila Pinza, I'm from class 8-2. I live in Gede Membaca and my hobby is swimming.
Alright, so Queen lives in Membaca and she likes swimming. Do you like swimming? Okay. Okay, the second we have Kyla Melinda. Okay, Kyla, please introduce yourself.
Hi guys, my name is Karen Melinda. I'm from class 8-1. My hobby is swimming. In Damar.
Oh, so the second student, her name is Kyla. She lives in Damar and her hobby is swimming. So she likes swimming too. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today our topic is about music. Okay, so let's check it out. So the first question for Queen. Queen, do you like music?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so you like music, yeah? Okay, how about you, Kyla? Do you like music?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so Queen and also Kyla like music. Okay, the second question. Queen, what kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Okay, so Queen like pop music. Okay, how about you, Kyla? What kind of music do you like?
I like hip-hop music.
Also, Queen and also Kyla, both of them like pop music. Okay, the third question. Why do you like pop music, Queen?
I like pop music because the music is nice.
So, pop music makes nice for Akila Quinza. Okay, we ask Kyla. So, Kyla, why do you like pop music?
I like it because the songs is very good.
Oh, so it makes Kyla spirit dance. Okay, the last question. Okay, Queen, how do you listen to music?
I listen in my phone.
Oh, so you use your mobile phone to hear the music. And how about you, Kyla? How do you listen to music?
I listen to music by pushing by handphone.
Also, you're also using by handphone. So both of them using handphone to listen to music. Yeah, I think it's better for you. Okay, thank you very much for your time. Let's say together. SMP Lamatang Lestari. The future begin here. Bye bye.